Hi guys, Official Vince here. In today's video, I created a mini makeup tutorial. Yes, clean your face before you apply makeup on. Trust me, it helps a lot. I went in with my Olay moisturizer, and I love the moisturizer because it just sinks into the skin fast. This is my Flawless Ivy Cosmetics primer, and this primer has one of the best grips you can imagine. Now, this is Full Glance foundation. I don't know why this foundation is not hyped or is not all out there in the market, but this foundation is so good. It is just soft on the skin. It looks flawless. I just love everything about this foundation, and I think you all should try it. As you can see, the foundation gives a skin light finish. Then I went in with my Ray concealer. I just love this concealer because it's so buttery and easy to blend. Now going with your damp beauty sponge. Do not use a wet beauty sponge. I said damp. There's a difference between the line. And I made this tutorial a bit long so you guys can see the full coverage. You can see how everything blends out, and you can just get a glimpse of what it looks like. Then I went in with my Adventure concealer to highlight the tip of my eyes, just give that under eye bright effect how I like it. Not everybody likes a bright effect, but yes, this is what it looks like. And guys, you can see it's giving premium class. It's giving everything it's supposed to give. I remembered I did not moisturize my lips. This is something we forget most times. So I will be using my Flawless Ivy Cosmetics High Definition Powder to highlight contour. This powder is just everything. It steals the shine off. As you can see in the video, it blends in so well. So yes, I'm almost done with this palette, and I need to get another one because as we all know, 1 minute the price is normal, then the next minute it's tripled. So you just have to stock up just in case. But yes, guys, I'm going to see you in my next video. Come to part 2. Welcome to part 2. I just started my nose contour with the same powder palette from Flawless Ivy Cosmetics, and as you can see, it's giving what it's supposed to give. I love the fact that there are different shades in this powder palette, and the powder it gives this natural effect. It doesn't look like you're on powder. Then I went to my Flawless setting spray to set in the powder and foundation, just merge everything together. And trust me when I say I love this setting spray. It just does the work. Like, I love it when products don't stress me. Then I went to my Full Glance setting powder. This setting powder, I cannot overemphasize about this. This setting powder is just perfect. It's good. Very good for your sculpting, very good for baking. And the thing about it is, before you even blend this powder starts to disappear into the skin. That's the effect it gives. Before you have to finish up and dust off or press into the skin, it does the job for itself. That is why I would say this setting powder is not just going to leave my box anytime soon. I'm always going to use it. Now, I'm actually sculpting the lower part of my face because I have beards. It's a trick I learned from another makeup artist. And yeah, guys, let me know what you think in the comment section about how I sculpt my face. What do you think? What do you guys think? Let me know. But yes, I went in to use my nose contour brush to give my nose the perfect line it deserves, the perfect shape it deserves. At this point, something was itching me. Most of you will use your fingers and spoil your under eye makeup powder, but that's wrong. But what you need to do is just get something, use it to just pinch that place, touch that place, or you use your fingers to just poke that place. Come to the next video, guys. I will be using this Cara gel to draw my brows. Welcome back to this video, guys. So just take a little bit, blend into a position, and use a flat brush to draw. Most people will use pencil. I used to use pencil when I started makeup, but I stopped when I started using gel, ink, and brush. There's just a way it works better for me. I wouldn't say it's magic, but it works better. Then I wanted to try this brow I saw on YouTube. A creator was doing it and it came out so fine. You draw your arc away from the natural hairline. But trust me when I say I'm never gonna try. See, makeup is you have to stick to what you do better. There's too many rules to makeup, but I think just stick to what works for you. Then I went in with my Adventure concealer to highlight the under part of my brows. Now, how I do my brows is I don't touch the upper parts. Okay, if you're very good with brows, you get the upper part. You don't need to use your foundation to go and clean up the upper part. It depends on what you want, though. What works for you. But for me, this is how I like mine. I don't touch the upper part of my brows. I just do the under part. I highlight the under part. Now, this Adventure concealer is matte, and I just love it because it doesn't dry out so fast. It gives you time to blend, to do everything. I'm still shocked about the brows. It looks horrible. This is not my usual brow. For those of you who follow me, you know my usual brow, but it looks horrible, I must confess. But yes, I'm using another brush to just blend out the product under my eyes, and as you can see, that's what it is. I think I love the outcome. Yeah, see you in the next video for more. Welcome back to my video. So I'll be going in with this Blossom Snow White eyeshadow primer for my eyes underneath. You know how to do this. Apply and blend down. Make sure you blend it properly. Now for your eyes, don't always look up. You're going to create lines that will crease your eyeshadow. But yes, this is it. I'm going in to retouch my nose contour line and just create my transition shade with powder. Then I decided to create something different that will go with my shirt, but at the same time I used blue, guys. I used blue for my transition shade. I don't know what came over me. I don't know how that happened, but one thing about me is I love colors. If you follow me, you would know that I used to be very scared of colors. Like, I used to be scared of colors back then, but when I started using colors, I just fell in love with them. I'm going in with this blue and white to create the eyeshadow, and I just want to give it a little bit of, because the blue already, the transition shade is already very blue. So I just said, okay, let me tone down the eyelid color, and this is what it is, which is beautiful. Actually, I fell in love with it. I didn't know it would come out this way. I used this eyeshadow palette from Flawless Ivy Cosmetics. Is a tropical eyeshadow palette that has blush, bronzers, matte, shimmers, glitters in it, and I just love it because it's all in one. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Then I went in with an orange shade to just touch up the upper part of the brows, and touch this brown shade to just smoke it out, just deepen, not darken, but deepen the smoky area close to the tail of my brows. But I did not still like it. It wasn't really dark like that, but yes. Come to the next video, guys. I decided to underline my waterline, and trust me when I say my eyes is extremely sensitive. Oh, sorry guys, welcome back to my video. Official Vince here. My eyes is very sensitive, so I just started using the pomade to touch the under eye, darken it because it looks better, it looks better and cleaner. And I added glitters to the eye to pop the eyes a little bit. Sorry, not glitters, pigment shimmers to the eye. So yeah, I've done the eyes. I'm using my mascara. I'm very gentle when I'm doing this because it's scary. Then I went in with this black shade from the palette to deepen the eye because I wasn't feeling the transition. I didn't just like it, but now I feel better, because for me, smoking my eyes out, I like to use black. When it's black, it just gives, you understand? So far so good. I was scared with this eyeshadow at the beginning when I started, but I must say that I am in love, like in love with this eyeshadow. It came out so well. Then I'm cleaning out my powder, cleaning off the excess. Now when you're doing this, you either sweep it off, or you press it into the skin, depending on what you want or the technique you use. And that's what I am doing here, as we can all see. Yeah. Then I went in to clean off the reverse contour, which I did not want to at first. There was a technique I saw on YouTube where you can just apply your reverse contour, then set it all up. Then I went in with this CPD blush, my favorite blush. The orange shade is my favorite, and as you can see, the orange shade is almost out. I applied it, and with little steps, you can see that it's already showing. Yes, I love it, and I love it. I decided to go with the pink also. There was a trend like this, but yeah, I decided to try it, and it came out well. See you in my next video, guys. I did not create a lips tutorial for this video. I did not, but yeah, this is what this lip stains look like, and they are matte. For your information, they are matte lip stains. I just added gloss and it came out so well. This is me taking my bath in the setting spray. This bottle, I think, is too small for me. I wish it was bigger because I like to use setting spray a lot. And as you can see, the reverse contour, I did not brush it off. I left it there, set it in, waited for it to dry before I dusted off. And trust me when I say it did magic. Like, this technique is so good. It just stuck there, and you don't need to. Just look at that line. Look at that line. So this is a technique I learned from another creator on YouTube, and I love the fact that it just did magic. You get. So at this point, I started trying my contact lens, which I don't even know why I decided to use contact lens on the look, because it just ruined the whole thing. Now the mistake was, now watch this part. Immediately it touched my eyes. There was this burning sensation. Immediately it touched my eyes. My eyes was red. Like there was this burning sensation, which I should have taken note. I used this lens the previous day, took them off because I was tired, and I did not clean them. I did not rinse them or anything. So on a normal day, I would clean and rinse my lens before using. So it didn't occur to me that I did not do that. And guys, this actually ruined my makeup. You would not believe, because my eyes was burning. Literally burning. I applied another lens again, thinking, oh, the sensation will reduce. It did not reduce. It just, I kept tearing up. Not tearing up. I kept crying, like tears. I was using the beauty puff, the setting powder puff, to hold the tears in, but it kept on coming, and I was just crying. My brain was getting hot, like literally hot, guys. Okay, so come to the next video for the final part of this look. Welcome back to my video. I hope you guys have learned one or two things in this video. I hope you're learning. Don't just watch my videos, pick up something, okay? Anyway, at this point, my nose was running and I could not hold it. I was trying to hold it, but I could not. My face was turning red underneath my makeup. My head was heavy. I tried to skip the tears, like I shouldn't be caught on fresh, but you see that face, like tears, is actually a burning sensation it was mad, and all of this from the contact lens. So please always clean your contact lens. I'm taking off my makeup with my micellar water from Flawless Ivy Cosmetics, and as you can see, in one swipe, it did the job. Please help me repost my videos, like, comment. Don't forget this, guys. Help my video do well. And this video is on YouTube also. You can go follow and watch. See you in my next video, guys. Bye for now.